Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check Deepwoken build versus Visionshaper version and ensure they match. Once done, back up your character and local settings so you can restore if needed. Next, open the developer console and load Visionshaper, attaching it to the game process. Do this with deliberate steps to avoid corrupting resources. You'll see initialization logs. Wait for the ready prompt before making changes, because acting too early can break the session. Now you configure core features to match your playstyle. First, choose an intent modifier, stealth, combat, or exploration, and save it as a profile. This changes priority behaviors automatically. After that, fine-tune vision parameters like range, clarity, and color filters to reveal hazards or hidden paths. Make small adjustments and test in a safe area. Finally, assign hotkeys for quick toggles, quick cast, and an emergency disable so you can react instantly during encounters without fumbling through menus. To finish, test your setup in a low-risk area and confirm visuals, timers, and hotkey responses behave as expected. If you encounter desynchronization or odd overlays, first reload the Visionshaper profile, reattach to the game, and clear any cached data. These steps often resolve timing issues. Make incremental backups after stable changes so you can roll back quickly. If persistent problems remain, disable new modifiers one at a time to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.